Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will do unboxing of Galaxy SmartTag, a new Bluetooth connectivity device by Samsung, and we'll also do a brief review about it. Priced at $109.80 or $30, this thing is really smart. And much like a tile tracker, it's a small Bluetooth low energy dongle you attach via a keyring. Kindly stay tuned till the end of this video to get full information about this new device. So let's start the video, but before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Samsung's new SmartTag unboxing is quite simple and short. You get the SmartTag and quick start guide and that's it. The tag is made out of plastic and is quite lightweight, around 13 grams. The size of the SmartTag is not so small. A slightly smaller size would have been better for its mobile use. The SmartTag is using Bluetooth 5 for its connectivity, and as per Samsung, it has a range of 120 meters. But I do feel it should work great below 100 meter distance. Anything above that, you might lose the signals. It's using a replaceable battery and the battery life is around 10 months or 300 days. You don't get any spare battery inside the box, but you shouldn't worry about the battery life with this device. One major downside is that you can connect SmartTag with only Galaxy smartphones and tablets, but you can't connect it with any other Android smartphones or an iPhone, which makes this smart device limited to Samsung's ecosystem. Also, one important thing to note here is that it will only work with devices running Android 8.0 or higher versions. It uses a small speaker for the buzzer, and that's all about the specification of this SmartTag. Samsung will also launch an ultra-wideband version of this device called SmartTag Plus with a slightly higher price later this year. So the important question is, how do you connect it to your smartphone? Actually, it's quite easy and seamless. You will have to download this application from the App Store on your Galaxy smartphones called SmartThings. Not to mention your Bluetooth must be on. Once you open the application, it will instantly prompt you about the SmartTag as a new device found. You can click on Add Now, and after allowing certain permissions, you will be connected. You will get prompts about how to use it in the app itself. In fact, I got a software update immediately once I connected it. Now let's see how does it work. Click on Get Started and then locate your device. You will get a prompt that SmartTag will start ringing when you tap Start. This is the high volume setting. You can also change it to medium volume by tapping here. And once you find your device, you can just tap to stop it ringing. You can also do the reverse by going into the SmartTag settings and choosing Let the tag find your device settings. Tap to enable it. Now when you double press on the SmartTag, your device will start ringing. Once you find your device, you can dismiss the ringtone. Apart from ringing the device and navigating it, there is also a search nearby option, where as you will get closer to your device, the signal will become more stronger. But I would say the ringing option is much better. Now let's see some features in the settings. If you don't like the default ringtone, you can also change it here in the settings. You can keep a track of your battery percentage here in the settings. For more convenience, it's always a good idea to add the SmartTag to your home screen. By clicking on the three dots, then click on Edit, tap on Add to Home Screen and clicking on Add, and then save it. By having it on home screen will give you easy access to the application. Now apart from being useful in tracking your objects, it can also be used for automation. You can control your devices and lights in your bedroom, kitchen. You can also customize it by color control, color temperature, and so on. In conclusion, I would say that the SmartTag is a welcome addition by Samsung. It's a practical device which can be handy for a lot of people. Some key advantages are ease of finding things which you often forget or spend hours to find. For example, your car keys, your pets, your earbuds, your car in the parking. The list goes on. As for different people, it can be useful in different situations. I'm sure with this busy world and the value of time in our life, this device can save us a lot of time and peace. This video by any means is not sponsored by anyone, and these are my genuine feelings about the SmartTag. Let me know in the comments below if you feel any different or if you have any questions about it. If you like this video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Also, share it with your friends and family so that they can get aware about this new useful device. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings.